Here's how we can disable ads on POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max. So once you go to the app drawer, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open the app vault. So if you go over here, by the way, right now as I'm recording this video, all these apps that I'm gonna go through are up to date. So you can make sure that in your case they are updated as well. Because older versions might have slightly different, of course, layouts, maybe some options might be missing, and so on and so forth. So in the app vault, you want to tap on these three dots here in the upper right corner, and then you want to go to manage services. And in here, we can just disable both of these options. Next up, we're gonna go to downloads, tap on the three dots in here, and then you can go to settings. Then we have the show recommended content, which we're gonna deactivate, and confirm that you want to do that. All right. Then we can just keep scrolling down, and the next app that we want to go to is the MI browser. Of course, if you don't use the MI browser, then you can just completely skip it and not use it at all. But in case you do use the MI browser, then you can go to your profile here in the bottom right corner, and then we can open settings. Now in these settings, we should be able to scroll down and go to advanced, and in here we can disable show ads. All right. After that, let's exit this. After that, we're gonna go to the MI video, although I'm not sure if we can disable ads in here, because in some cases on some smartphones made by Xiaomi, there is an option that allows you to disable ads in this app, and in some cases it is not possible. So let's give it a try. So in here, unfortunately, it seems that it is not possible. Usually if it is possible, there is an option that allows you to go to settings, but in here this option is unfortunately not possible. So unfortunately in that case we cannot do anything. But if you can go to settings in the MI video app, then you want to disable a couple of things in there. You will be able to find popular today and scan for new local videos. So if you do have these options, you want to disable them. Next up is the music app. Let's close everything in here. All right, we're gonna tap on these sliders here in the upper left corner, and then you want to go to settings. All right, now here in settings, we want to disable allow permanent notifications. We can also go to advanced settings, and in here we have a couple of things like show ads, online recommendations on startup, and personalized recommendations. All of these options can be easily deactivated. You can also just completely withdraw the content and consent if you don't plan on using this app at all. So if you just withdraw, you can just leave the app as it is. Unfortunately, I believe we cannot really completely, well, we can remove it from the home screen, so if that's helpful, you can of course do so if you don't want to use the app at all. Then the next app that we want to go to is the security app. In here, tap on settings in the upper right corner. In here, we can disable recommendations. You can also go to cleaner, and you can disable recommendations as well. There we go. All right. After that, we're gonna go to the themes app. So let's open themes. All right. Go to my account at the bottom, then settings at the top here, and then we can disable these two options, ads and personalized recommendations. And I believe that these are all apps that we can go to in order to try to disable ads, but that is not all that we can do on this phone. So besides that, what we can also do is we can go to settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to proceed to notifications and status bar. Then you want to go to app notifications, and in here we have of course a list of apps, and we can decide if these apps should be allowed to send you notifications. So we can disable notifications from a couple of these apps, like for example themes, get apps, app vault over here. Let's see, we can also disable for the MI browser, for example, MI video and music, and that is about it. So if you get annoying ads from time to time from one of these apps, then of course you can just go to notifications and you can turn them off. But not only that, we're gonna also go in settings to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. then open authorization and revocation, and you want to disable these two things, MSA and system daemon. So if you tap on the switcher to try to turn off the any of these options, then you have to wait 10 seconds before you can use the revoke button. There we go. And then, like I said, we want to do the same thing for the system daemon app as well. So let's wait a couple of seconds, and then we can just revoke the authorization, and that should be it. Of course, there is still a chance that you will see some ads in some of these apps now and then. Unfortunately, it seems that we cannot really completely get rid of these ads, especially in apps where we cannot really disable these ads at all, like in the case of the MI video in my specific case. So unfortunately, in this case, there is nothing that we can do. But what you can realistically do is you can use alternative apps, alternative third-party apps that do not contain ads. Mostly, of course, Google apps can be a very good alternative for many of these apps, so you can try to use Google apps instead, since they do not contain any ads whatsoever. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.